Hello kids, I hope you all are doing good. Children, now is the time to learn about words with I sound. Let us read aloud. The first family of I, word family of I is id, which says bid, id, hid. See the phonic sound of the consonants also. Bid, did, hid, kid, lid, mid. MID says mid. And the last one, rid. Let's look at the another family of I words. Ig family words. Ig, ing together says ig. The first word is big, dig. Fig says fig, fig. Jig together says jig, jig. Rig, rig. Rig says rig. And let's look at the last word. W. Wig, wig. Let's read the third line. Ip words. Ip together says dip. H and IP together forms hip. Hip, hip. Ip, lip. LIP, lip. Nip, nip. NIP, nip. Similarly, ip, sip. S says ip, sip. And the last word of ip family word is tip. Tip, tip. Let's read the fourth line. It words. Bit, bit. Fit. Fit means healthy. Healthy and fit. Bit, fit, hit. It. The next word is kit. You all have read this letter previously also. The next word is lit. SIT says sit. Let's read another word family of I, which says ib words. Bib, fib. Nib, nib, rib. Children, what is rib? Rib are these vertebral lines or the bones of our covering our skeleton. Inside our body, there are rib bones. Now, let's look at in family. In, bin. In, bin. D says in, din. Fin. Fin are the body parts of fish with which it swims. Pin. Tin. In, win. Let's look at im words. DIM says dim. Him. RIM, rim. SIM, sim. This brings to the end of our I word family. Children, I hope you all will read these words very carefully and memorize them also. Isn't it? Because learning English is fun. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.